Hello and welcome to Canada Finance, your one-stop shop to cop a sweet bag of profit here in Canada. This is my Make Money Monday where I take 3 to 6 stocks every single Monday before markets open, make a post, and see how they do. This will be a brief summary or analysis of each stock and how they've been performing and how I think they will perform in the next coming days. And then you will be updated through YouTube Shorts or my TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. If you haven't already, you should sign up to my Patreon. Last week, my patrons made over $10,000 together. With my Patreon, you will be able to communicate with me and get these tips days and even weeks in advance. The first company I want to put on your radar is Movely Media, MVY on the TSX, currently trading at 36 cents and previous highs up to 52 cents. Movely Media operates in both Canada and Belgium. It is a cloud-based multimedia corporation. Movely focuses on content creation in the form of education as well as advertisements for small to medium-sized businesses. It empowers corporations and individuals in a global level, giving them the tools to create online content. This makes their advertising, training, and outreach seamless. The recent move down is due to their non-brokered private placement, which issued warrants that averaged down this stock quite a bit. However, now with this process out of the way, it can easily achieve that 50-cent price point once again. I would set my limit to buy at 0.35 and watch it rise for the rest of this week. Next up is a fairly new IPO on the market. This is PSYK, which is a psychedelics ETF. So you may have heard me talk about MindMed and heard rumors of Numi and many other psychedelic companies. What these companies are doing are trying to corner the market on psychedelic treatment for individuals with PTSD and any other psychotic disorders that can use this hallucinogenic treatment in order to help process their trauma. Introducing an ETF in an incredibly saturated market full of different innovators in the biomedical technologies corporations will allow us to reap the benefits of the best without having to worry about whether or not we are picking the correct stocks. This ETF broke double digits for the first time on Friday, and I don't believe it will ever go back. Try to pick up at market open today for $10.30 or less, and we'll see where it goes. And my final pick is Fission Uranium Corp, which is FCU on the TSX. This company has access to shallow deposits of high-grade Canadian uranium. 10 months ago, they were looking for funding and unable to start. However, December 21st, they received $7 million worth of funding. Within that time, on February 1st, they announced their expansion as well as de-risking of their uranium mining. With over 35 years of experience in the industry, Fission Uranium Mining will be able to create the cleanest nuclear energy. This nuclear energy is going to be net carbon negative. Uranium and nuclear power is not something that's usually on someone's list when it comes to clean energy. With the de-risking techniques that they have started developing on February 1st of this year, the risk of catastrophic events like we've seen in Chernobyl are next to none. There are many nuclear energy processing plants that have been operating for decades without any major incidents. Fission Uranium Corporation will soon be able to provide high-quality, easily processed uranium to these facilities that have been operating and have been in need of a much higher supply. These untapped uranium deposits are a key component in the success of Fission Uranium Corporation, as the circulating supply of uranium is running short and the facilities that are currently producing it are not generating enough for these companies. I believe this year Fission will begin producing this uranium and providing it to companies that will then not only boost its own stock, but boost the performance of clean energy and uranium. Thank you for watching this far in the video. Let me know in the comments what stock you think is going to do over 10% this week. As always, I'm not a financial advisor, and as always, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.